After the calamitous high magnitude earthquakes that struck Nepal on April 25 and May 12, 2015, a daunting and unprecedented task of national relief, recovery and reconstruction lay ahead for the government of Nepal and its people. As a close neighbor, India launched a Over the last 5 years and more, India has substantially fulfilled our commitment under various priority sectors identified by the government of Nepal. I take this opportunity to share we have completed construction of 50,000 owner-driven houses in Gorkha and Nuwakot district under Indian assistance. This was possible through the joint efforts by all stakeholders, including the National Reconstruction Authority of Nepal, local governments, house owners, and UNDP and UNOPS that provided socio-technical facilitation for the initiative. The projects in remaining sectors of health, education and culture are also under progress. Government of India is funding reconstruction of 70 schools and a library, 132 health facilities and 28 cultural heritage sector projects in various earthquake affected districts of Nepal under a $150 million grant with the estimated cost of $112 million.
As well as social economic fronts, the reconstruction demanded an innovative.
This complex journey can be an exemplary.
As we look back, as daunting the document, ladies and gentlemen, depicting Nepal's reconstruction.